Hello everyone. In this video, we will be studying about demonstrative pronouns. There are four demonstrative pronouns: this, that, these, and those. Let's see the usage of demonstrative pronouns. We use this for singular nouns and these for plural nouns when they are near the speaker. For example, this is my pen. Here, the pen is near the speaker and is a singular noun, so the demonstrative pronoun this has been used here. The next example is these are my pens. Here, the pens are near the speaker and the word pens is a plural noun, so the demonstrative pronoun these has been used here. We use that for singular nouns and those for plural nouns when they are far away. For example, that is my notebook. Here, the notebook is far away and it is a singular noun, so the demonstrative pronoun that has been used here. The next example is those are my notebooks. Here, the notebooks are far away and the word notebooks is a plural noun, so the demonstrative pronoun those has been used here. Now see this note. When this, that, these and those are used before a noun, then they are called demonstrative adjectives. When this, that, these and those are not followed by a noun, means there is not any noun after these words, then they act as demonstrative pronouns. Let us see the examples. Here it is written, this book is new. In this sentence, what is the word after the word this? It is book, which is a noun. So here the word this is followed by a noun. So in this sentence the word this is a demonstrative adjective. Now look at the second column. Here it is written, this is my book. Here, what is the word after the word this? It is, which is not a noun. So here in this sentence the word this is a demonstrative pronoun. Similarly, you can see the other examples. Now look at the question number E. Here you have to choose the correct demonstrative pronouns to complete the following sentences. Number 1 is dash are my cousins Tanvi and Nisha. They are here on vacation. Here if you see, cousins is a plural noun and we know what do we use for a plural noun? We use the demonstrative pronoun these. So, the answer of number 1 will be these. These are my cousins, since cousins is a plural noun. Number 2 is dash is my cricket coach over there. Here it is written over there. It means the speaker is saying the coach is far away. So, clearly the demonstrative pronoun that will be used here. Now, look at number 4. Here it is written, hello, dash is Anish. May I speak to Varun? Here Anish is giving his introduction. When someone gives his or her introduction, the demonstrative pronoun this is used. So, here in number 4, the answer will be this. Now, look at number 6. Here it is written, dash sounds like Pranav. Here the word sounds is not a noun, it is a verb. Earlier I have taught you we add s or es to a verb to form its singular. So, here the word sounds is a singular verb. So, clearly a singular demonstrative pronoun will be used here, which is that. Now, look at the next question. It is underline the pronouns in these sentences, then write P for personal pronouns, PO for possessive pronouns and D for demonstrative pronouns. Number 1 is already done. Number 2 is I forgot to pack my sweater. So, what is the pronoun in this sentence? It is I. So, as you have studied, I is a personal pronoun. So, according to the question, P will be written here. So, I hope you will do these questions. This is now the end of the video. I hope you have learned something from it. Thanks for listening and God bless you all.